Today, we're diving into an intense situation where police officers face suspects armed with overpowered weapons. Watch as these brave officers navigate a life-threatening encounter and take decisive action to protect the community. In this first case, we're showing you shocking dash cam footage of a Vermont man using an excavator to attack state troopers as they arrest his son. The dramatic incident occurred on June 14th in Hardwick, involving the Tallman family in a desperate attempt to resist police. Watch as the situation unfolds and see the consequences they now face. All three family members were taken into custody. Wayne Tallman was subsequently arrested. If convicted, he faces a maximum sentence of 11 years in prison. He was ordered held without bail at Northeast Correctional Complex in St. Johnsbury. If convicted, Brandon Tallman faces a maximum sentence of 41 years and 6 months in prison. He was released to the custody of his mother. Amy Tallman is scheduled to appear in court in St. Johnsbury on August 20th to answer the charge of impeding troopers.
Okay, it's not like a tractor?
Yeah.
Okay. Any idea what he's doing?
No idea. No, we have no idea.
Stop. Stop.
Here we bring you an extraordinary police chase from Gwinnett County, Georgia. On Saturday, March 23rd, officers responded to a call about a former employee who stole a massive front loader from a waste management business. The suspect led officers on a wild pursuit through busy streets, making unpredictable U-turns and navigating heavy traffic. Watch as police, with the help of another construction vehicle, bring this chaotic chase to an end. See the incredible footage and learn about the charges faced by the suspect, Eddie Sanchez.
Stop! Hey! Stop! I'm 58 radio. An individual who's driving a four-wheeler tractor is not stopping for me. I have no way of stopping this vehicle. He's going to go out the main road.
Watch your dick, you ready?
I can't control him. Grab your machine. What is it? One of those things? How fast is it?
They can get up to probably about 30.
Okay, grab that. Quick.
Making a left. Keep me updated. I've got the sanitation truck, the large tractor, which is our best bet. It's a little bit slower, but he's behind us as well.
Hey, radio, we're in front of Victory World Church on Brook Hollow.
I left my yellow bed friend.
Are you 10-3 for the vehicle, Corley? Center and Oprah.
10-3. Circle on the Brook Drive.
This is unbelievable.
It's wrong.
He was evaluated at a local hospital prior to being booked into the Gwinnett County Jail. He was charged with criminal trespass, theft by taking, fleeing or attempting to elude, reckless driving, criminal damage to property second degree, and obstruction of a law enforcement officer. While investigating the incident, the reporting officer learned that Sanchez was terminated from the business in September 2023. He visited the business several days prior and did something similar, but never left the property. During this entire incident, no motorists were injured, nor were any vehicles or patrol cars damaged. In this case, watch as Michigan cops chase a stolen forklift driven by a 12-year-old. The Ann Arbor Police Department released dash cam footage of the 30-minute pursuit, which started after a 911 call reported the child stealing the vehicle from a middle school. Don't miss how this wild chase unfolded.
And if you were on Main, where you're at. Main is on.
Northbound Main. He's all over the roadway right now. Okay, man, we're gonna need to stop this before we get to the highway. Please, slow traffic. Okay, turn down the summit.
East one.
He's continuing north.
Clear northbound on Nixon.
Looks like he's gonna possibly ditch it. He's on the sidewalk now. Go ahead and reactivate your lights and sirens there, guys. Crossover back on the roadway. Speeds are 15.
He's messing with something in the cab. I can't tell what he's doing.
Clear. Messing with something in the cab.
His side window blew out when we were around the roundabout.
K9, we're still northbound. About 18 miles an hour. Light traffic, no pedestrians. Looks like we're coming over 14 or right now. Correction on that, 23.